Hello students, welcome back to Vedantu's NCERT Solutions for class 11 and 12. We are going to discuss the sixth question from D and F block elements. Name the oxometal anions of the first series of the transition metals in which the metal exhibits the oxidation state equal to its group number. Anions are negatively charged ions. Anions are negatively charged ions. Negatively charged ions, while cations are positively charged. Cations are positively charged. Positively charged. So which are the metals that belong to the first series of the transition metals? It starts from scandium. Okay, so it starts from scandium. There is vanadium, chromium, and we have manganese, cobalt, etc. So in order to name the oxometal anions, we need to consider the oxidation state as well as the group number. They should be equal. Okay, so let's see one by one. First one is titanium. Titanium oxide. What is the formula here? TiO3 2-. If we calculate the oxidation state of titanium here, so we already know the group number. Let's see. Group number is 4. So oxidation state should also be 4. Let's see that. So yes, oxidation state is equal to X plus 3 into minus 2. Minus 2, the valency of oxygen. So oxidation state is minus 2 here. Here it is there. So X minus 6. So X is equal to plus 4. So both oxidation state and group number are 4. Next one, we have vanadate. Vanadate is also a transition metal. So VO3 minus. So group number to which vanadium belongs is 5. Group number is 5. Let's see the oxidation state here. Oxidation state is equal to, so X plus 3 into minus 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to X minus 6. X will be equal to 5. Okay. So group number and oxidation state are equal even in here. Vanadate. Next we have chromate. Chromate. The group number of chromium, group number to which chromium metal belongs is 6. Let's see the oxidation state. Oxidation state. I haven't written the formula. Okay, it is CrO4 2-. So X plus 4 into minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to X minus 8. X is equal to 6. So both group number and oxidation states are equal here. So if we see dichromate, we already know the group number. Okay. So dichromate Cr2O7, it is 2-. So oxidation state minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 7 into minus 2. So what will be the value? Minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 14. 2x minus 14. So 2x is equal to plus 14 minus 2. X is equal to 12 by 2. X is equal to 6. Even in chromate and dichromate, the oxidation state of chromium is plus 6. And the group number to which chromium belongs is also 6. And then we have permanganate. Permanganate. It is MnO4 minus. Oxidation state, let's see the group number to which manganese belongs is 7. Oxidation state, let's calculate. Oxidation state. So X plus 4 into minus 2. Minus 1. X plus X minus 8. X is equal to 7. Both group number as well as oxidation state are equal here.